Using quotations in writing English essays. Besides using English idioms in your essay writing, using quotation will impress your readers too. Below are some of the popular quotations that you might want to include in your essay writing. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Lao Tzu. We must accept finite disappointment, but we must never lose infinite hope. Martin Luther King. Love is like a beautiful flower which I may not touch, but whose fragrance makes the garden a place of delight just the same. Helen Keller. Love has a hem to her garment that reaches to the very dust. It sweeps the stains from the streets and lanes, and because it can, it must. Mother Teresa. To succeed in life, you need two things: ignorance and confidence. Mark Twain. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work. Stephen King. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. Mohandas Gandhi. A nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. Franklin Roosevelt.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.